A few years ago, you needed a Photoshop expert to create professional graphics. Then Canva came along and changed the game. Suddenly, anyone could design with ease. So you will start seeing people even started making memes on Canva. Some laughed, some doubted. But guess what? Canva is still here, still growing. And today, Canva skills are a legit category on major job sites. So as T Swift would say, hate is gonna hate, 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 hate. So now the same thing is happening with AI. It's no longer a futuristic concept. It is here, rewriting the rules of work in real time. So AI isn't just assisting now, it's replacing, it's designing, writing, diagnosing, predicting, and making decisions. And the jobs we once thought were untouchable, think again. Lawyers, accountants, journalists, consultants, even CEOs are watching AI do in minutes what once took them days. So, according to the website layoffs.fyi, 53,000 tech companies have already laid off more than 13,000 employees in 2025, and it's only February. In 2024, a staggering 548 tech companies cut more than 150,000 jobs. The trend is clear. AI is transforming the workforce and no one is immune. And whether you like it or not, the AI revolution is knocking at your door. The real question is not if AI will change your career, it is how fast it will. In May 2023, 3,900 US job losses were linked directly to AI. 41% of companies plan to make layoffs by 2030 in response to the increasing capabilities of AI. Now, according to the World Economic Forum's report, the labor market is set to take a hit as business place a greater emphasis on human machine collaboration. So once upon a time, automation was just about factory workers, but now AI has evolved. So it's handling tasks that once required human intellect. So AI is now writing legal documents, diagnosing medical conditions, making stock market predictions, crafting music, and even generating business strategies. So the most affected, those working in air-conditioned offices like coders, graphic designers, video creators, video editors, content writers. So these professionals that once felt secure are now at the forefront of automation. The AI tools can generate code, design graphics, edit videos, and even write articles at an unprecedented speed, leaving many wondering where they stand in the new landscape. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang believes that AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot are going to be so good at writing code that they will make knowing a programming language like C++ and Java redundant. This means software developers and engineers must rethink their roles and how they can stay relevant in a world where AI writes code faster and more efficiently. So if you're feeling uneasy, good. That means you're paying attention. But don't just sit there waiting for AI to decide your future. Take control before it's too late. AI is not the end. It is an evolution. And the real winners, they won't be the ones resisting the change, they will be the ones riding with the wave. So, how do you future proof yourself in an AI powered world? See, first of all, learn AI. Don't fear it. AI is just a tool, not your enemy. Understand it. Use AI tools in your field to enhance your work. So, whether you are in marketing, law, or finance, knowing how to integrate AI into your workflow will make you indispensable. Second is focus on high level thinking. See, AI is great at automation, but it still struggles with creativity, strategy, and emotional intelligence. See, sharpen your ability to lead, think critically, and innovate. These are the skills that machines can't easily replicate. Then, embrace lifelong learning. See, the pace of technological change is accelerating, and what you know today may be obsolete tomorrow. So, keep learning. take online courses, attend workshops, and stay competitive in an AI driven world. Next, build AI proof skills like leadership, storytelling, persuasion, and innovation. So these skills are completely irreplaceable. AI doesn't have emotional intelligence, so it can't make complex decisions, and it can't build relationships. So focus on what AI can't do, not just what it can. And the last one, adapt or get left behind. See, AI won't wait for you to catch up. The best thing you can do right now is start experimenting, stay curious, stay flexible, and be open to reinventing yourself. See, those who learn and adapt will always find new opportunities no matter how much AI advances. See, AI is not the end of white collar work, it is just the next evolution. Now, the real question is, will you be ahead of the curve or left behind? The choice is completely yours. That was all, my friends. Subscribe to Sheep Excel and stay updated with the latest AI tools and developments. Thank you.